Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. So today we're gonna review a website called ScreenRec.com and we are going to look at what are the features that it is going to offer for us to record our screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, in the Google search page, I'm gonna search for ScreenRec. There you go. This is a website for screen recorder, which is ScreenRec.com. So I'm just going to click here. There you go. This is the website for ScreenRec.com. It is a pretty simple website, not very flashy, but still does the job, right? So I think this is a free recorder, so I can either download it from here or I could actually scroll down and I can download the Windows version here as well. I'm just going to click on download free here. I'm just going to click on download free here. There you go. So my application is being installed in my downloads. All right. I'm going to click on this .exe file here to actually run the setup. I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to read this agreement quickly and always make sure that you read the agreement and then click on I agree. Then actually I can give a destination folder, but this is okay for me, so I'm just going to click. I'm just going to click on next. So this is just an option to create a shortcut, so just click on next. And then the software is downloading. All right, the setup is now finished and I'm gonna click on finish here. Okay, as you can see, the ScreenRec screen recorder has been downloaded and it has been set up and it has been installed, so I can show you more clearly. If I actually go to the home page, there you go. Here, can you see the ScreenRec screen recorder is started, and you just have to press Alt plus S to actually capture your screen. Also, we've got a little window here to take screenshots, to take videos, and to take to include photos, and then there is settings. So before getting into this screen recording, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the settings. I'm gonna click on the settings here. So first I'm gonna set up my microphone here, and I'm gonna set up my microphone here, and here I can check my audio levels. Also the webcam is not set up, so I'm just gonna choose my HD camera here and I'm gonna switch on the webcam here. All right, so both my microphone and the webcam is on right now. All right, so I'm just gonna choose the recording quality to HD or 4K. For now I'll just choose HD. And all right, so if I choose HD, actually ask me to log in. This is pretty weird. I'm just gonna check if I could sign in with Google. Okay, since I signed in, they've given me a pro plan which has free grace period, no watermark. I can record in HD and 4K, so I just can choose HD here. But otherwise, this is for grace period. I'm not sure how many days. It might be 30 days. Could be your ScreenRec grace period. So until then, you can actually record your screen. That is okay. And pretty much that is it. No more settings offered for you here. But my personal favorite is PepperCloud. PepperCloud allows me to actually add different destinations. It can be YouTube, it can be Facebook, and you can actually start recording a screen and share it on your most lovable social media platforms at the same time. So I like PepperCloud. Also, I like the editing options that PepperCloud offers. So for me, my personal favorite is PepperCloud, guys. I have included a link in the description. Please check it out. All right, having said that, I'm gonna start recording my screen. I'm gonna minimize it right now and I'm gonna click on the video button here. to actually start the screen recording. So it lets me to choose a particular area on the screen, or I could just press escape, and actually just started the recording. So I'm just gonna stop it. All right, so I'm just gonna start my recording once again, and I'm gonna choose the entire screen. And as you can see, my webcam is actually available on the right hand corner here, so I can either increase the size here by just pressing the plus button, or I could decrease the size by actually pressing the reduce button here. Okay, so as you can see, the camera button here is actually turning on red and white. It shows that the screen is actually recording. I actually like this overview of my webcam. It's just fantastic, guys. All right, if I don't want the webcam, I can just close it. For me, it's okay. So I'm just gonna hover over to the area where the camera is blinking. I'm just gonna click on stop here to stop the screen recording. There you go. The file, I'm just gonna open the link to the file, and there you go. This is our recording. It shows up as a link, so I'm just going to click on play here. There you go. The video is cool. I particularly like this webcam layout over here. All right, if I want to download, okay, is it possible to download? Just have to check. Now I'm not able to download this. I'm just able to share it to my social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. Oh my god, so outdated. All right, so this is what you get, and let me just quickly click on this download free. Now it just goes for the recorder. I don't have an option to actually screen record. I can just share it to my social media. So this is a bummer, guys. This is not even close to PepperCloud. PepperCloud is really fantastic. You can actually share your videos to any platform that you need. You can actually stream it. It's actually cool, but I'm not sure ScreenRec, why didn't they allow the users to actually download the videos. It's a bummer, guys. So having said that, this is ScreenRec for you guys. I've given you a brief overview about ScreenRec, free screen recorder. They claim to be a free screen recorder, but actually you don't get the watermark only in the pro plan, and I've got a free grace period. So that's why I was allowed to actually record the screen without the watermark. All right, so I hope I've given you a basic info about ScreenRec screen recorder. I think it is an okay screen recorder, not very much to offer, but very good for the beginners. So that's it, guys. I will end this video here, and if you have any other suggestions, like any other screen recorders that I want to review, please leave it in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. So until I see you in the next video, bye bye, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.